Hello and welcome back to e-classes of Commerce Standard 12th. In this video, we'll be continuing our third component, that is price distribution. So let's study about the channels of distribution or the types of distribution. In this image, you can see the structure of channels of distribution. So there are two types of channels of distribution. First is direct selling to consumers. Second is indirect selling. So first, direct selling to consumer means in such kind of selling, producer himself supplies the product to the buyer. Producer sells the product himself to the buyer. There is no middleman in such kind of selling. So this kind of selling is called zero level distribution system, as producer himself sells the product to the consumer. There is no role of middleman like wholesaler, retailer or any agent. So that is called direct selling. Producer supplies his product from his own shop or showroom or factory. This is the shortest and easiest method for distribution. This kind of direct selling can be done through post or either door to door by salesmen. And now in current time or in present time, this type of selling is also done through online shopping. So this type of selling is done directly, and this kind of selling has limitations also, because as producer alone cannot reach to the large group of consumers, so it is not possible to have more sales. So this is the limitation of direct selling to consumers. It is also not useful for all types of products. So direct selling to the consumers have some limitations too. Second is indirect selling, in which we can see A, B, C. Three kinds of indirect sellings are there. Let's have a deep understanding on that. Indirect selling means having middlemen in the process of selling. There are mediators like wholesalers, retailers, agents. So there are mediators in this kind of selling. In this method, the producer can reach to the vast group or the huge group of consumers through mediators. So this kind of selling has three types of selling, three types of levels or layers you can call. First is single layer. Second, single layer includes producers, retailer and consumer. Second is two-layer distribution system that includes producers, wholesaler, retailer, consumer. Third is three-layer distribution system, that means producer, then middleman, then wholesaler, then retailer and consumer. So in between of producer and consumer, if there is one retailer, that is called single layer. In between producer and consumer, there are two middlemen, that is wholesaler and retailer, that will be called two-layered. And in between producers and consumers, if there are three middlemen, that is called three-layered, like middleman, wholesaler, retailer. So there are three middlemen, so it is called three-layered distribution system. Let's understand in detail. First is single layer level. Why it is called single layer level? Because there is only one mediator between producer and consumer. Here you can see there is only retailer as a mediator who acquires the product from the producer and distributes it to the consumer. And such kind of distribution is for specialized products. Second is two-layered distribution system. This is also called double-level distribution system. As you can see, there are two mediators between producer and consumer. Wholesaler and retailers are the two mediators between producer and consumers. Here, in this kind of distribution, wholesaler buys the product from the producer in large quantities and sell it to the retailers in small quantities, who in turn sell it to the customers. Here, the risk of producers is very less, as wholesaler buys the products in large quantities or in bulk, or you can say in lump sum. So the risk of producer is very less. Wholesaler also gives the facility of storage and warehousing services too. And even the producer helps to frame the network of retailing for each wholesaler, so that the products can reach to the final consumer. In such kind of distribution, products like soap, toothpaste, battery and shaving cream are distributed. Third is three-level distribution system. That means there are three mediators between producer and consumer. You can see which are the three mediators. First is middleman, that means distributors or agents can be there, then wholesaler, then retailer. So there are three middlemen between producers and consumer, that is middleman, wholesaler and retailer. In this kind of distribution system, product first reaches to the middleman or agent, then it reaches to the wholesalers, and then it reaches to retailers, and finally to the consumers. So there are three mediators between producers and consumer. The producers are only one in direct contact with agents or middlemen. In such kind of distribution system, producers are only in direct contact with agents, as producers deals with only agents regarding product and monetary transactions. The dealing becomes convenient. This method is useful when the production is limited or when the product is accepted to everyone. So here we have studied about channels of distributions or types of distributions in detail. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.